Namaskar and hello everybody. Brainfeed, India's premier educational magazine, is having a wonderful conference in Noida on the 9th of November, and the entire day is dedicated to early childhood education. The topic of the theme of this conference is making early years education the driving force of NEP 2020. We all talk about NEP and we sometimes feel it's a very much talked about topic and I know everything now. Some of the aspects that are going to be touched on during the conference are such that it will really help you in your NEP implementation, like transition from pre-primary to primary, like toy pedagogy. What is pedagogy and how can toy pedagogy as given in the NEP be taken forward? Everybody talks about experiential learning, etc. But it is very important to understand Nipun, how FLN, which is foundational literacy and numeracy, will be taken forward in our schools to uphold the guidelines given in the NEP 2020. So if you really care about implementing and powering your school with the NEP 2020, you should be a part of this conference. Register today, 9th of November, Making Early Years Education the Driving Force of NEP 2020, brought to you by Brainfeed magazine and supported by Early Childhood Education, Early Childhood Association. If I don't see you there, I must see you there. So please join us. Register today.